See, next point is a key points to remember about pointer in C. Key points remember about pointer in C. See one by one. Normal variable stores the value, whereas pointer variable stores the address of the variable. Normal variables stores the value, whereas pointer variable stores the address of the variable. Then second, the content of the C pointer always be a whole number, that is address. The content of the C pointer always be a whole number, that is address. Then next, always C pointer is initialized to null. C pointer is initialized to null, that is int star p is equal to null. Int star p is equal to null. See, the next, the value of null pointer is 0. The value of null pointer is 0. The next, and symbol is used to get the address of the variable, and symbol it is used to get the address of the variable. The next, star symbol is used to get the value of the variable that the pointer is pointing to. Star symbol is used to get the value of the variable that the pointer is pointing to. The next, if a pointer in C is assigned to null, if a pointer in C is assigned to null, it means it is pointing to nothing. It means it is pointing to nothing. Then next, two pointers can be subtracted. Two pointers can be subtracted to know how many elements are available between these two pointers. Two pointers can be subtracted to know how many elements are available between these two pointers. The next, but pointer addition, multiplication, division are not allowed. But pointer addition, multiplication, division are not allowed. The size of any pointer is 2 byte. The size of any pointer is 2 byte for 16-bit compiler. See example program for pointers in C. Program for pointers in C. See example. Hash include stdio.h int main, then open the curly int star pointer comma q semicolon, then q is equal to 50, q is equal to 50, pointer is equal to and q semicolon, then print a %d star pointer, then return value. See explanation. Output is a 50. See hash include stdio.h. This is the standard library. Then int main, it is used for displaying the main function int star pointer q. Int is a data type. Star pointer is one variable, that is pointer variable. Q is another variable. Q is equal to 50. Q is equal to 50. That is the initializing the number. See address of Q is assigned to the pointer. See, pointer is equal to and q. The value of q is assigned to the pointer. See, then next print %d. %d is a escape sequence printing the number. Then star pointer, this is the pointer variable. Then next return 0. Then return 0, close the curly. See, the output is 50. Output is the 50. Because of that, the initializing the value of q is equal to 50. That's why the output is a 50. Then next another program. See, hash include stdio.h. stdio.h is a standard library. Int main, this is the main function. See, int num is equal to 10. Integer is a data type. Num is equal to 10 is a initializing the number. Then next print value of variable num is %d num. Then next print address of variable num is %p @num, return 0. See, the value of variable num is 10. This is the initializing the variable in output. See, value of variable num is 10. Then address of variable num is 0 into 7FFF5694DC58. This is the address of variable num. Star p is a denoted by pointer. See, star p is a denoted by pointer. See, explanation. To print the address of a variable, we use %p, then format specifier and ampersand just before the variable name like and name. Then star p is print the address of variable num e. Star p is used to print the address of variable num is, that is 0 into 7FFF5694DC58.